The condition of your home's concrete can either enhance or diminish impressions of your home and property. When it fails, typically due to poor soil conditions beneath, it not only looks bad, but it can also present a potential tripping hazard and even lower your home's value. In order to bring your home's concrete back to life, it needs to be lifted, leveled, and protected for the future. First, holes about the size of a dime are drilled in the concrete and small injection ports are inserted. Then our high-tech polymer foam, PolyLevel, is injected through the ports and beneath the concrete. Now initially the PolyLevel material flows like water, filling every space and crevice between the soil and the concrete. Very quickly, it expands, continuing to fill voids as it lifts the concrete back toward its original position. The holes are filled and then cracks and control joints are sealed with Nexus Pro, our durable silicone-based joint sealant. And finally, an application of Sealant Pro permanently bonds to the concrete surface, protecting it from future damage from things like moisture, chemicals, and seasonal changes. This total concrete protection system is a simple, durable, and proven way to make sure your driveway, sidewalk, patio, or pool deck looks and performs just like it should. How great is that?